डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी UGC मालव्या मिशन टीचर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर छत्रपति संभाजीनगर ऑनलाइन STC in skill development and futuristic technology micro teaching PPT presentation. Myself Dr. Khakre Pandit Ramchandra, HOD Department of Chemistry, MRS KSK College Bid. Welcome UGC Director Dr. Satish S. Patil, Director UGC मालव्या मिशन टीचर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी छत्रपति संभाजीनगर and course coordinator Dr. Mohammad Abdul Rafi sir, Assistant Director UGC मालव्या मिशन टीचर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी छत्रपति संभाजीनगर. Micro teaching PPT presentation topic skill development in chemistry curriculum. What is skill development? Skill development means developing yourself and your skill is say to add value for organization and for your own career development. Developing your skill begins with assessing which skill are important for your desired career developments. Now, why skill development? Skill development is one of the essential ingredient for development. We need to redefine the relationship. The first of all, the education, skill development, employment. To develop the vocational relevant skill is the need of ours. Types of skill: communication skill work. It is the communication like any other skill is the you are absolutely need to practice in order to excel at it. One of the is the born great. Number 2, the electrical and the research skill work on the math problem, chemistry problem. I now it sound elementary, but solving math problem and chemistry, physical chemistry problem. Computer and the technical literacy. Increase your the computer literacy. Check your local training center. Number 4, the interpersonal ability. This is one of the very similar to your ability to the communicate, but it is the specific to ability your co-workers. The meaning multiple priority, multi-mistaking society today is the demand the proficiency in this area. Your the ability to manage multiple assignment and the task set priority. Next, from the student skill in the chemistry curriculum, definition. The definition, this skill which can also be termed the process skill, soft skill, or the employability skill share. The characteristic that they are generic and the transferable or marketable and the lifelong and have wide application, the extent beyond course. Problem solving skill. This means that students should be able to apply the scientific method, define the problem, clearly develop the testable hypothesis, designing and the executive. The chemistry course reflect this exception. The examination should be constructed to encourage the synthesis of the variety of concept in the solving problem. Open-ended laboratory experiment provided the excellent opportunity for the development and assessment of this skill. The chemical literacy skill, the specific information from the chemical literacy. Critically, you are the evaluate the chemical articles and the manage many types of the chemical information. Student develop the proficiency with the electronic the searching of the appropriate technical database, including the structure based searching. The laboratory safety skill. Laboratory safety skill from these the programs must promote a safety consequence culture in which the student demonstrate and apply their the understanding of this the consist of the safe laboratory practice. This is include the understanding safety and the dress rules. The student attention to and knowledge of the safety consideration should be elevated in all the instructional laboratory and the research experience. The communication skill, the oral communication skill are the evaluated in the chemistry. Graduate student should have the variety of writing experience, not limited to laboratory report. Equally important is the opportunity to oral presentation material. Students should be able to use the communication technology such as the computerized presentation as well as software for word processing, chemical structure. And next, from the team skill and ethics, from the communication skill, the solving the scientific problem obtained involves working the interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary terms. This is the especially true in the industries and the increasingly in the academic setting. Students should be able to the lead portion of the activity or be the effective follow as the dedicated by situation. Chemistry student, like any discipline, has the social structure with code of practice that govern acceptable behavior. Chemistry students should be display high personal standard and integrity, contact themselves responsibility. The using the existing course from the chemistry curriculum, the course examination can be used encourage and assess problem solving the skill by the asking the student to knowledge to demonstrate the integration and utilization of the information. The chemistry curriculum should include a writing and the speaking opportunity beyond the simply reports. And next, from the developing the dedicated course, the chemical literature course can be give the student the experience in oral and the writing communication of laboratory technical information may be available general speech. The specific course in the safety should have the general applicability but should not replace safety instruction. Specific laboratory course, seminar course for major can provide an avenue to important and assist student skill such as the communication, chemical, literature and ethics. Undergraduate research is one of the most powerful opportunity for the chemistry student to learn the problem solving skill. And next, from this, the understanding research also provided student the opportunity to learn from these peers and solve the term. And thank you, sir.